All right, YouTube, we got something new to unbox for y'all today. So that is perfect timing because I just got home from performing bagpipes. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. See what we got. Yep. We're gonna open this. We're gonna unbox this right here for y'all right now. So we're gonna go ahead and open. Let's see what's in here, and it looks like we have. Looks like it could be a bagpipe chanter. No, it can't be a bagpipe chanter. Let's see what we got. Oh, looks like there's something in here. Let's see. We have the. Let's see what we got. They packed it in styrofoam, so that's good. And this is also for doing well on bagpipes this week. And we did really well. They must have really did really well. They packed it very nicely. So let's see what we got here. We have, looks like we have a battery powered. Okay, so this looks like this is the hook that this goes on. So it's got little hooks right there. And, okay, so that must be for the motor capsule. Okay, let's see what else we got in the box. We got ourselves a charging cable. It's a USB-C cable, so it is a battery-powered, rechargeable disco light. Get this rubber band off. You know what? And here we go. And last but not least, we have a remote for it, instructions, set of instructions for it, and we have, let's see what we got. Okay, instructions, we have the remote, we have, it looks like we have, I guess that's it right there. So, this is where, okay. Let's see where it says to charge it. Okay, so it hangs right in here. And you would mount the disco ball string in there. Okay. And it also has some built-in pin spots. From what I know, yep. There is some built-in pin spots right here. So that's awesome. We'll have some dots again. Alright. Now, what we need to do is we need to see exactly where this plugs in. That way we can charge it, or okay, so it's got like a little button on there too. That's cool. So that's pretty cool. So it's got a button. Oh, there. It's got the USB light. It's got the pin spots, a little battery powered pin spot. So that's awesome. All right, let's go ahead and unravel this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this on to charge. Alright, that is awesome. So I'm just gonna come over here and just plug this in to charge, and then once we get this all hooked up, I'm gonna bring this with me tomorrow. Hopefully bring it tomorrow. We'll hook everything up on the light, and then we get everything going. Alright, but we're going to put it on charge for the time being, because it is battery powered and it is rechargeable, so there we go. Okay, let's make sure that's on. Okay, is there a charging indicator? Well, we know it's charging, so that's good. I don't see a charging light, but it's there, and there's a little motor where we're going to hang everything. So there we go. We'll get this thing going when we'll get this thing going at some point in time. But there we go. That is our new motor. Pin spot, battery powered motor for the disco ball. And to celebrate that, how about some practice chanter? We'll do a song on the practice chanter for that. All right, here we go. We'll even do some practice chanter videos with the disco ball. So here we go. There we go. How to get that burl in there. All right. There we go. There is our unboxing video for this week. Got an Irish tin whistle too. I'll probably do that too when we do another video, because I need to put that on video for y'all. Do some Irish tin whistles with some Scottish small pipes and all that stuff. We'll do some more Irish tin whistle stuff. We'll do some more Scottish small pipes. Do some more bagpipes. Everything in there. All right, there we go. And then we'll check the disco ball motor, and that's our new motor for our disco ball. Yep, the little one that's hanging up there. We're gonna have a motor for it pretty soon. We have a motor. It'll be hanging pretty soon. And yes, we'll do some practice chanter videos with it. We'll do every single video imaginable. All right, thanks for watching, and more to come later.